Before we start, remember, everything you see in this video is not investment advice. You can lose all your money by investing. The film was made for entertainment purposes. If you're looking for EverSAFU price predictions for 2022, 2025, 2030 and want to know where the prices of EverSAFU will go in the future, we will analyze the past prices of EverSAFU and will find out what experts are saying about its future price actions. Please keep that in mind. You need to take this prediction and every other prediction with the intention that this is only the suggestion of some market expert. Not to mention predicting something so perfect is completely impossible. But we will try our best. So at the end of 2030 the average price is $171.49. Thanks for watching.